Right, hard go mailings, then everybody, if we go mailings, then on our just below our menu bar, renally start mail match. Start mail match, as you can see there, my Caesar is there. Start mail match, you click start mail match because we are beginners. Letters. Then you select letters. I believe everybody would click letters. Then from there, select recipients. Remember, the EMEA mail match is to send different recipients, but same message. Like how Romela Batswadi letter jam meeting to inviting them, but batlo hloka hore ba bitse ka maina, batlo hloka hore ba bitse di-address tja bona, batlo hloka all those things. So that is why re berekisha mail match. Then we select recipients. Then we offer three options there. We the option number 1, which is type new list. Then we go new list everybody. Then ra new list there in a title, first name, last name, company, address, and so on. I hope I'm not fast, colleagues. Then our information there. Title. Then title Mr. Then first name for Mr. Isaac. I'll use my names. Then last name is Kumalo. Company, I'm from Cheche. Address line 1 is PO Box. Sorry, PO Box 249. Address line 2, we can use physical address there. 344. Monster Laws, you can use any place, Monster Laws. Then if go ya then I've got city. Then Ravali city is Groblersdal. State, we can leave that one because there are too many. Then from there are new entry. New entry, it will for option Kenya another participant. Then it will be Miss Irene, surname Masha, Ubereka, let's say Sogolola. Address, it's a private bag, X5. And then address, Kenya address line mule Kenya 999 Tafelkop. City, let's not use the same city. Let's say Wheatbank. Then we'll leave it there, and then we are adding participants J4. Then retain another participant. It will be Mrs. Mrs. Kubo. It's the name there. Kekane. Title Pezulu. Company name. Then 344 HS. Just put any address there, colleagues. And then address line 2. This one is a physical address. 55 Matsiti. City Janefest. Let's put the last participant there. already sitting alien. But if nor a new entry, then if you're not satisfied with the entry, you can delete the entry. Select the entry, then you delete. And then let's put Mr. Ivan Makua Onane address it was 755. Let's put anything there. OPE. It's just an address 1 and address line 2. It's important that you know the physical address, and then it's 957 unit B, Polokwane. Yeah, I think these are our entries. Then it will be okay. Then already usetunale your information. Then we create that you're going to name it. Then wherever you save it, you must save it where you are going to remember where you have saved your data. Then I show my document. Then I save keys because key station data. Then I save here. I save. Already I have my data now. Then I can start with my letter. It will be here. If keep a fast, please let me know. Let me check on my WhatsApp if everybody following. Yes, I believe everybody is following. Can I get a response there? I see an okay there. I think everybody is following. It will be dear and gas or dear because can the recipients therefore. And then the mortgage closure spaces address here. Closure space address. Dear, I'm not going to put anything there. You are, let's use a correct grammar. You are cordially, I think my spelling is wrong then. You are cordially invited for a parents meeting on the 22nd of April 2021 on you are cordially invited for a parents meeting. Let me correct my grammar there. The right click, parents for a parent meeting on the 22nd of April 20. The school has experienced some financial strains. Please attend without fee. Yours faithfully, okay.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes, we are saying we cannot see where you are typing. I think maybe fully lag on your screen.
Okay. Because screen is bula, these menu bars are hidden. Let me try to increase the font.
Okay, we can see the font, but where you are typing, please try go up on your page.
Yeah, I think that's the end of my page on top there.
All right. Please just again close it and open it again, please.
Okay, close give bula.
Yeah, but okay,
let me do this. Still, they cannot see.
It's still stuck on your home page. It's still stuck on your web page. So someone document 1, there's nothing that is being typed there.
So should I close it? Because let me save.
You already saved your database, so it won't need you to start again. You can just close it.
Okay. Okay, save. Let me save.
Sorry, colleagues, we're still fixing this issue so that you're able to see exactly what he's typing. But I hope most of you were able to type a database. Right now, it's about typing the letter. Okay, please go back to sharing your screen, Isaac.
Okay. So are you able to see my screen?
It's a load. Yeah, we're able to see your screen now. You can now go on Word.
It's Word, opening Word,
Right.
bottom left, search, Word. Double click. Then a blank document. Yeah, there is my document. Is everybody able to see?
Yes, we can see your cursor blinking now.
Okay, right. As I've said, I don't know, colleagues, they've created their data on their system. So okay, create a letter yaka down because I've already created one because okay, quality. Then share space go hold him. Like you can just press enter twice before you start typing. Then this is where I'll start typing here. It's dear parent, but I won't write parent because already now data quite parent. And then my message there, just below my greeting line. Then it's you are invited to an agent parents meeting on the second.
Sorry,
Okay.
do you mind zooming your screen so that colleagues are able to see?
Okay, let me try to zoom.
Yes, I think that's much better. Thank you.
Okay. Right, you are invited on an agent meeting on the 22nd of April 2021. the school has let me check. The school has, I'm sorry about that, I just clicked the wrong button. The school has experienced some financial constraints. The meeting is scheduled as follows. Time 10 o'clock, because this information is compulsory for every parent. 10 o'clock, venue, chair, date is already there. Then my last greeting line, yours faithfully, principal. Then this is where I'm going to make use of my data that I have used. Already I have started with my data, which I saved to go my document. Then use existing, type new, because it's key type in. If it was the first time, type new, like I did before. Now I'm going to use the existing information. My document. Then my document here, my document here. And then as information data. I'm going to click it once, and then I open. I can open and then the menu bar will be active. So it means now I can put the information that I want. Then I can insert field. I can insert field, title, because I don't title.
All right, Isaac.
Yes, my sir.
You're on the right track, so that the other educators follow.
Oh, okay. Let me just go back.
Yeah, so remove the. Okay, yeah. Thank you.
Okay, letter type it's there. Then information type matomo. So if we verification for the first time, we select recipients, then we type new because we are using for the first time. But because information I use existing list. I already have an existing list. Then click once. And then because he's saving all my documents, then a sheet data data. I'm going to click it, or can double click, or can click it once and click open. Then when you click data, menu bar, it will be active. Address block is active, greeting line is active, insert mail match field it will be active. And then the recipients, where I mean parents who are going to receive these letters. Then insert match field. I believe you are still with me. Then title, title. Remember, can be the title. Then here I need to space more, because actually the space probably tata wants us to print a letter. Then title, first name, space, last name, and then address, because we must start with the parents' address there. Click up my tap button, more keyboard, tap, and then I go to. Then katsenya address. Still insert match field. Katsenya address 1.
Isaac, can I help you with that?
Okay.
I wanna go to home.
Home. Yes.
I wanna alignment under paragraph.
Okay, one alignment under paragraph there. And
Yes,
then
right. So it will
align.
yes, it will align to the right.
Okay, okay. I hope colleagues have captured that one. Then align right. And then Gabuela mailings. See now. Information like a rich. Then mailings. Insert another greeting line there, not greeting line, match field. Katsenya address 2. Still there. Let me align the first one right. And then align right again. Mailings. Insert match field. Katsenya address 2. Enter. And then match field. Kenya, remember Kifakile CT there. It's important that I put it there because there's nowhere else like if I can't. And then let me check my match field. What is it that is missing? Company name, I haven't made use of it. Gano itsenya parent kanu itsenya. Then kaya match field. Katsenya company name there. I think we are now done with the first information. Then to check our information how right. Then preview results. Colleagues, preview results. Then click up preview results. Ashilem information like you can see chenga kwa yanyarela mo. You see or mola kagaria space between company and the city. That is why Iromarelan so JJ and Horbesdal. Then Gloria space. There there's a space there. Then to check our information.
Sorry.
Okay.
You can remove that one only house 344 Mostorlos.
Can remove which one? This one.
Okay. One.
Before
the
this one. Yeah, yes, I see this one. Yes, let me remove it. Thank you, sir. Then I can preview results. Sir?
Oh, no, never mind. Continue. Sorry.
Okay. Right. Kitlo check out the results. Appear. Is it this letter can reach different parents? Then is dear Isaac Kumalo. Then the second recipient is Miss Irene Masha. Are you following colleagues? Let me check on my WhatsApp. And then the next one, Mrs. Kubuke Kane. The next recipients, Ivan Makua. Yes, I think Mr. Skukulutla Tlalelicha to anything that I have missed. But these are basics mail match. Creating the information that you're going to use. In most cases, schools before rival essay sums were using mail match to create reports. I think Mr. Skukune, this is where I can end. You'll add if I have missed anything.
Okay, Isaac, please don't stop being the host. I also need you to do something for me.
Okay.
All right, so colleagues, thank you very much to Mr. Isaac. I hope you are following colleagues on how can you use mail match to personalize, to personalize the letter. You saw when he said dear, he didn't add Mr. Ivy, no. He said dear, and then because he had included a database, he was able to use that database or title. We know that he is referring to either a Miss, Mr. Doctor, or whatever. Ne? So, Isaac, please go to select recipients. I
Okay.
want to show them how to add more information based on the classwork that you are given.
Okay. Select. Yes, there. Select.
Yes, type a new list.
Type in new list.
Yes, because you'll see colleagues under your instructions, you are required to type a letter using exactly mail match that Mr. Isaac has what do you call this, has explained. Ne? So I'm not sure if you okay, but I want you to show them how to customize the columns because they need to add information there. Are we together, Mr. Isaac?
Yes, yes, yes.
Akir, we have title, we have first name, we have last name, and all those things, Akir.
Yes.
But colleagues, you also have the option, based on the classwork, you'll see it when you check it, you also have the option of adding the columns. So today's classwork, hopefully customize columns, Mr. Isaac.
Yes, customize there.
So now, because colleagues, we want to add new information. We want to add, you can see there, if a local email address, you can go to add. Please go to add.
Yes, there.
So now, because on this letter you're going to be sending, you are sending it to different parents on different days or different times. So please insert one that's written date and time.
Or date and time. Okay.
Yes, because thank you. Yes. And then please add another one for reason for your meeting.
Add reason for your meeting. Okay. Reason for your
All right, before we continue, I'm seeing people who are saying they're not following. Colleagues, besides the network issue, which one is also the problem? What are we encountering difficulties with, colleagues? So you can press OK there, Mr. Isaac.
Yes, okay. And then let me check. There is the new information that I've added. New columns, date and time,
Columns.
Reason for
date
your.
And time, reason for
your
Mr. Isaac, please do me another favor.
Yes.
Under session 3, I'd like you to open this activity mail match.
Okay, go session 3.
Yes, please go to session 3.
Desktop. Session 3. Activity 3, part 3, class activity.
Class activity. Yes. Okay, sorry, Mr. Tlaba, which steps did you miss? And then the reason should be the same when doing mail matches. No, can I answer Clemmy? Clemmy, please open the letter.
Let me
please open the letter, Mr. Isaac.
Okay, opening.
The reason won't be the same, Clemmy, because you'll see when you check this classwork now. You'll check, you'll see. The reasons won't be the same, Clemmy. Okay, we'll show you how to customize the column just now.
Yeah, it's Abula. I think it's giving me a lot of things. I don't know what is going on.
Okay, it's fine. I'll send it on the group. It's okay. How to customize the column again.
How to customize the columns? Okay, it's recipients.
You can go to edit recipients. Oh, okay. Sorry.
Then it will customize columns. Then add. So if there's a column there that you see and you don't want to use it, you can rename it, like address 1. Let's say you want to rename, you click, then you rename. Then I change it to be whatever that you want. Let me say bank details. Just give an example. Then to add to, as Mr. Neo is saying, or add of because delay reason for coming.
Date and time.
Yes, date and time. Then reason for coming. Yeah, this is how we customize. I think Utley, a colleague.
Thank you. Any other questions before Mr. Isaac seizes control? Need clarity on how we are going to send different letters with different reasons. That is my main problem. Okay, can we please go back to our letter, Mr. Isaac?
Okay. Here's our letter.
All right, let me just send this onto the group quickly. These are the instructions that I've just sent on the group. So Clemi wants to know why we'd have different reasons for calling parents. So for instance, the first example that they gave on this letter, Clemi, it was learner performance. Ne? So this one parent will be called in for their learner's performance. Okay? And then the other parents would be called in for learner absenteeism. So Mr. Isaac.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, type a letter in, but using the same database.
Okay, let me just delete this one. Control
just say
N.
Control N. Control plus N will lead you to a new page.
Okay, there.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So, dear.
Yeah.
And then, of course, we'd include the match field title. Okay, no. Okay, dear. You are cordially invited to the school.
Invited to the school
to discuss. And then you'd insert a match field.
Okay.
This is just an example. I'm just showing you an example, colleagues.
Yes, I will leave a space just to insert the match field. Yes, sir.
Yes, and then maybe just full stop for that trade.
Okay.
That's a rough example.
Okay.
You are cordially invited to the school to discuss your learner performance, I guess, because of that match field. Yes. And then please come to the school on this date.
Please come to the school on leaving a space for match field.
Yes, for match field, their date and time.
Yes.
This is just a rough example. These match fields so that he or she is able to see what we mean.
Okay. Let me go to use existing. Let's start main match. Because Arad's already doing it, let me just do this customize.
All right, what's about Dira?
Hey.
What's about Dira?
Hey.
Yako cancel. Just go to select recipients.
Select recipients.
Use existing list.
Use existing list. Go to documents. There's my data. Open.
Yes. And then go to edit recipient list.
Edit recipient list there. Here, yes.
Yes. Go to go to the left of your screen. Oh. Wa bona mo ngotseng data sources ko gare.
Yeah,
Che data.
yeah, here.
Click on it
Yes, there.
and then edit.
Edit.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, there. Customize me. Then add a reason for coming. Eh?
Yes.
Coming. Okay. Add again. What's in reason? In column ke
Date and time.
date and time.
Time, yes.
Yes, okay. Then it's okay. Then here,
Just go to and add the reason. Yeah.
reason late coming. Ne?
Yes, late coming.
Then another reason it over performance.
Performance.
Yeah, poor. Let's say poor performance. And then another reason we cover.
I can be absenteeism.
Okay, when are you on spelling some bit? Absenteeism.
I think it's double E, but it's fine. Yeah, it's fine.
And then another one cover.
You can repeat a reason. It's fine.
Okay, theft. Okay, and then date time.
Date and time. But what I come at just as one in a keromo, maybe got senya data loho, ka 10, or got senya data am swan ka
Okay,
for all these things.
Through April 10 o'clock. Monga 23 April 14 hours. Monga 14 May 18 hours. Monga June.
So to step, but let me, I hope this answers your question on why you need different reasons for mail match. Please press OK, Mr. Isaac.
Okay.
Clemmy, are you answered?
Okay, okay. Then I'll send you the match field dilemma.
Yes.
Inside match field.
Okay, colleagues, Baba Buchishangi, this lesson is recorded. Ne? So I don't know who it just spaces but once Isaac stops this meeting, he'll be able to share it with us. And then you'll have it and then you can watch it as well. You can continue, sir.
Okay, let me try to insert field match field here. Insert match field. Reason for coming. Yeah, one of the here. Let me just erase. And then insert match field again. Reason for coming, and then on date and time there. Then I can dear parent, insert match field, title, space, first name, space, surname, last name. Then address, because I don't think it's important. Let me preview my results.
Just preview results, please.
Yes, there.
Okay, please press preview results.
There is preview results. Yes, Miss Irene Masha.
Yes.
You are cordially invited to the school to discuss poor performance. And the other one is discuss absenteeism.
Yes.
The other one is to discuss theft. And yeah, I think they are done.
They are there, ne?
Yeah, they're there. Yes.
All right. You're saying you don't have access to this letter. I just wanted you to display it. Okay, no. Thank you very much, Mr. Isaac. Ne? Colleagues, before we let Mr. Isaac go, are there any questions? Any questions, colleagues? Please speak now so that I just want to share the letter with you so that you see. Let's check the WhatsApp group before you go, Mr.
Yes, I see.
No questions. Now I understand how I should do. Thank you. What about those who can't even log in? How are we registering our names? What do you mean, ma'am? How are we registering our names? And then the one who's saying, when will we get the recorded mail match? When he's done everything, he's gonna stop, and then after we stop, it will say we just need to check it's how it just spaces kanang, and then he'll tell us for name. Ma'am Oma, what about those who can't even log in? For mail match or for Zoom? Let's wait a bit, Mr. Isaac.
Okay.
For mail match, I can do mine. All right. Let's just wait. Mem so that we know I can assist you after the session. All right. Thank you very much for offering your assistance. Colleagues, another thing, if we make sure that we create a network of educators, there are educators who know how to do these things. And so if you can offer that assistance, that would be very much appreciated, colleagues.
Okay.
All right, I'm not getting any answer. Should I need you, Mr. Ivan, and also get over for two hosts?
Okay.
So
sir.
right now, and then we say just spaces and then we'll see how we can get it to our colleagues.
Okay, stop and share.
Yes. All right, thank you very much, Mr. Isaac. Please let us know Kurioja spaces and then how can the colleagues also get it.
Okay, sir.
Let me try to share the questions classwork, because now we'll be required to do our activity.